Do not leave Jerusalem, but wait for the gift my Father promised, which you have heard me speak about. For John baptized with water, but in a few days you will be baptized with the Holy Spirit." So when they met together, they asked him, "Lord, are you at this time going to restore the kingdom to Israel?" He said to them, "It is not for you to know the times or dates the Father has set by his own authority, but you will receive power when the Holy Spirit comes on you, and you will be my witnesses in Jerusalem and in all Judea and Samaria and to the ends of the earth." After he said this, he was taken up before their very eyes, and a cloud hid him from their sight. They were looking intently up into the sky as he was told, when suddenly 2 men dressed in white stood beside him. "Men of Galilee," they said, "why do you stand here looking into the sky? This same Jesus, who has been taken from you into heaven, will come back in the same way you have seen him go into heaven." May the Lord bless us as we listen to His word.
Will you be seated? Kung libot ka sa Silingayon, hindi lang sa Bacolod nga area, iskan sa Diin. Di ako, i-repeat ito na ako sa Paglia o sa Panay area. May ako sila nga makita. Nagadamo as the days pass by. Nagadamo sa mga karatula, mga tarpaulin, of course, may ngalan ng tao, may harapan nga mga statement o deklarasyon sa isa ka patimalay o ang nasa karatula, nagasiling, ang amon nga mayor, si so-and-so. May harapan magkatuon magpasbay kung sa iba naman area, ang amon nga mayor, si so-and-so. Ang iba naman niya, walang words, abstract, may wag ilay, may bilutin. So may mga amo na kita sila na makita, magod kayo mo na maabot na ang eleksyon. Of course, it's part of the game sa kapulit natin bilang membro sa komunidad. And God Himself, nakadelegate siya siyempre sa leaders for us to follow, and of course, para yung sinusulong matuman. At the same time, di kabalo